what's in here. It's first day of rifle season here in West Virginia. We'll get down here and check this buck out that I just shot. The buck he come off of this ridge up here. So we're going to find the easiest way to get down here to him. The old 30-06 brought him down this morning. Like I said, I seen one side of the horns. Couldn't tell you how big he is. If I watch him not fall, this is pretty dang steep in here. Like I said, I shot him way up there on that ridge, and he come down through the middle of this holler here. I gotta watch these roots. I don't slip and fall. Whoa. He's got a big old body on him. That's for sure. Just, if you will, bear with me while I get down there. Come down through here. This thing is going to step on my shoulder. In a freaking briar patch. Whoa. And he's gonna be my job always getting him out of there. There he is. Get him out. Big stinker body. Okay. Sorry about this, people. But I again don't want to stay up. The briars are wrapping me up. Look at. 6 point. He's definitely in rut. Alright. Pretty wide. Alright. If everybody would, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I definitely appreciate it. Bye-bye now.